The world has gone digital. Businesses need to adapt to thrive. Software development is no longer a luxury but a necessity. It's the engine that drives modern businesses from online stores to complex enterprise systems. Software development encompasses a wide range of activities. This includes creating websites, mobile apps, and custom software solutions. Each type of development requires specific skills and expertise. The goal is always the same: to create software that meets the unique needs of the client. The success of any software project hinges on several factors. A deep understanding of the client's business is crucial. Technical proficiency in the chosen development platform is equally important. Effective communication and collaboration between the development team and the client are essential for success. A website is often the first point of contact between a business and its potential customers. It's a digital storefront, a marketing platform, and a communication channel all rolled into one. Website development involves designing, coding, and deploying websites that are both visually appealing and functionally sound.
Website development requires expertise in various programming languages. These include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Developers also need to be familiar with content management systems, like WordPress and Drupal. A well-designed website should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines.
Security is paramount in website development. Websites must be protected from cyber threats. Developers need to implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data. The Apple App Store boasts millions of apps. These apps cater to a wide range of needs, from entertainment to productivity. iOS app development focuses on creating apps specifically for Apple devices such as iPhones and iPads.
This requires proficiency in Swift or Objective-C programming languages. iOS developers need to adhere to Apple's strict guidelines for app design and development. This ensures a consistent and high-quality user experience across all Apple devices. Understanding Apple's human interface guidelines is crucial for creating intuitive and user-friendly apps.
iOS app development presents a unique opportunity for businesses. They can reach a large and engaged audience of Apple users. Section 4. The Android Advantage app development for a wider audience.
Android holds the largest share of the global mobile operating system market. Android app development caters to this vast user base. It involves creating apps for devices running on the Android operating system. Developers use programming languages like Java and Kotlin. The Android platform is known for its open-source nature and flexibility. This allows developers to create highly customized apps. Understanding the Android design principles and user interface guidelines is crucial. This ensures a seamless user experience across a wide range of Android devices. Android app development offers businesses a cost-effective way to reach a global audience. The open-source nature of Android allows for greater flexibility and customization. This makes it an attractive platform for businesses of all sizes.
Section 5. Working together, collaboration in software development.
Collaboration is at the heart of any successful software development project. Clients need to be actively involved throughout the development process. This ensures that the final product meets their specific needs and requirements. Regular communication, feedback, and iterative development are key to successful collaboration. The development process often begins with the discovery phase. Here, the development team works closely with the client. They define the project scope, gather requirements, and set clear expectations. This phase is crucial for establishing a shared understanding of the project goals. Agile development methodologies emphasize collaboration and flexibility. They promote iterative development, frequent feedback, and continuous improvement. This approach allows for adjustments to be made throughout the development process. It ensures that the final product aligns with the evolving needs of the client.
Section 6. Delivering excellence, the power of high-quality software.
High-quality software is more than just functional. It's user-friendly, efficient, and scalable. It should seamlessly integrate with existing systems. It must be maintainable and adaptable to future changes. A well-designed software solution can streamline operations, improve productivity, and enhance customer satisfaction. Investing in high-quality software is an investment in the future of a business. It can provide a competitive edge in the marketplace. It can lead to increased efficiency and reduced costs. It can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. The benefits of high-quality software are numerous and far-reaching. Businesses that prioritize software development are better equipped to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. They can leverage technology to drive growth and achieve their business objectives.
Section 7. Conclusion. Software. The key to success in the digital world. In conclusion, software development is an essential aspect of success in today's digital age. Whether it's a website, an iOS app, or an Android app, high-quality software can transform businesses. It can streamline operations, reach new customers, and drive growth. Collaboration, communication, and a commitment to excellence are key to successful software development. By partnering with experienced developers and embracing a collaborative approach, businesses can harness the power of software to achieve their goals and thrive in the digital world.